Alright, Shreyas, please introduce yourself.
So my name is Shreyas Karthik. I was born in Lucknow. Sir, should I take
Don't
the?
worry. Raise your voice.
Okay.
Speak aloud.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was born in Jabalpur, MP. I did my schooling in Jabalpur itself. Then then I did graduation in mechanical engineering from National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. During my college days, I was part of various societies and clubs dedicated for social services and civil services. And also, sir, I was part of NCC. I've done B and C certificates. So, sir, both of these experiences led me to develop an inclination towards job as an assistant commandant in CAPF.
Very nice. Good that you are part of NCC. What are the aims of NCC?
So aims of NCC.
How many aims are there?
So I don't remember the exact aims.
You are a C certificate holder?
Yes, sir.
What grade?
So cadet.
What grade of C certificate? A, B, C grade.
Yes, sir.
Which grade?
Sir.
NCC C certificate has grading system A, B, C.
Okay.
What grade did you get?
Okay, so B grade. B grade.
B grade. Tell me aims of NCC because you have done the NCC and you are expected to be. Why did you join NCC? And what
Yes,
is your role today as ex-NCC cadet?
Yes. So the aims. Sir, I don't know the exact aims. I don't. I am not able to recollect at the moment. But if you allow me, I can. Sir, aims of NCC are discipline.
Those are motto of NCC.
Okay.
So
Sorry.
you don't know, leave it.
Yes.
Right? You've taken a guess, but that is motto of NCC.
Okay.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are hiking, traveling. Then so I have an interest in cosmology and astrophysics. In cosmology, astrophysics. Then, sir, I read.
What is the difference between hobbies and interests?
Sir, hobbies are what one likes to do during his leisure time to have a kind of stress relief.
And interest?
So, interests are something which I would like to pursue at any moment, maybe in future.
Okay. What is your best achievement in life so far?
Sir, my best achievement, sir. Sir, I did mechanical engineering from NIT Bhopal, and this was my best achievement.
And what is the most embarrassing moment of your life?
So, embarrassing moment of my life, sir, when I missed the civil services mains by 5 marks. That was, I think.
Okay, that was the most embarrassing
Yes,
moment of your life. Okay. Tell me something about your parents.
So
And between the parents, who made your life groom much better for you?
sir, it would be hard to choose one, but I think my mother, because sir, I have spent most of my childhood time with my mother, as my father used to up down from a different location. So I think my mother.
Mother. What's your first choice of joining CAPF?
So CISF.
You have, what motivated you to join CAPF or give this examination? And if you had any passion to join armed forces or uniform, what were your previous endeavors towards this?
Sir, I was part of NCC. So from that time only, sir, I developed an inclination towards joining defense. CAPF is one of the uniform.
Why did you give NDA and CDS?
Sir, I gave NDA, but I could not attend the SSB. Then, sir,
You
I
went
got.
for SSB?
No, sir, I couldn't go.
Written examination?
Yeah, sir, I passed the first level of NDA. Then I.
You went for SSB?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because sir, my semester exams of for college first year was there.
So, second time,
So then I didn't give.
CDS
No, sir.
did not try.
No, sir.
Reasons?
Sir, because then I heard about CAPF and central and this civil services.
So, what is your aim in life? To join central service, CAPF police service?
Yes,
If you are in NCC, a natural flow of life would be to give the examination for first NDA, then CDS,
Yes, yes.
because these are the young age examinations,
Yes.
and then graduate to the CAPF or UPSC. So this is a disconnection which I find here. Can you explain this disconnection of not appearing for CDS?
so honestly, sir, during when I was in 12th, sir, I had not thought much about what to do in life.
After you joined NCC, you had a C certificate. I'm
Yes, sir.
asking from there.
Sir, okay, sir. C certificate I got in my final year, sir.
Yeah. So after that, CDS.
Uh,
Natural progression is CDS.
Okay.
That's what I'm asking. The question is that.
Okay. Sir, but CDS, sir, there was, I didn't have any guidance about CDS, not much knowledge
What
about
is the best guidance? NCC must have provided you enough occasion. People do take classes on the SSB
Yes,
structure. Officers are. This is the role of NCC to. If you would have known the aims of NCC, you would have known the third aim of creating a conducive environment for people to join armed forces. That is the aim of the NCC.
Mhm.
The third aim of the NCC.
Okay.
So I don't find the answer very structured from your thought process, or it is not straightforward. That why did you try for CDS with so much of passion, so much of experience, and your practical knowledge of armed forces, and 3 years of training? It all went off. It has gone in vain.
No, sir, I don't think
Okay,
that.
and what is your first choice as CISF?
CISF, yes.
Where would you like to go for first posting?
Uh, Sir, I would like to go to some PSU located in Jammu Kashmir as my first preference.
Not in Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, sir, I can.
Why not in Madhya Pradesh, in your hometown?
Sir, because I am much familiar with Madhya Pradesh, I want to explore other areas where I can
Oh,
use my potential.
right. Right, Shreyas.
Sir.
You are applying for civil service, right?
Yes, sir.
You wrote mains. Then
Sir, I have been writing mains 2017, 2018, 2019, and this year also I will be writing.
so can you figure out the reason of your failure?
Sir, there were many reasons. Sir, I think I relied on what people used to say.
Okay.
And
So it is a way. Is it a way through for you?
yes, sir.
Getting through CAPF, at least I am there at some post. Or because I don't feel that ignition in you for the armed forces. And that is very evident from the choice that you have made, that the first choice is your CISF.
Yes.
So you don't want to go and fight on the border or anywhere else. You want to be a secured life, to work somewhere in metros and everything. Is this the thing?
No, sir.
Then why CISF?
Sir, CISF firstly because, sir.
You mean protecting our industrial and service sector is
Yes.
more important than protecting our borders?
Sir, both are important.
Both are important. That's why we have the forces. Why?
Yes, sir, both are important, sir, but I was given a choice. So, priority, so I took a choice. I am willing to work in any of the services. But given a choice, I chose CISF because of the maximum exposure it gives you. It is an all India service, so.
Okay. Oh, your hobbies are obviously reading novels,
Yes, sir.
non-fiction. What is the latest novel that you have read?
Sir, latest, sir, during lockdown, sir, I read, sir, Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl.
Man's Search for
Meaning of life.
Okay. What else you have read?
Sir, I have read, sir, George Orwell, sir, to his two novels, 1984 and Animal Farm. Sir, then I have read
Who is the author of Animal Farm?
George Orwell.
George Orwell, yes. So what is the main theme of that?
Sir, it is a kind of a political satire in which the author is trying to depict how totalitarianism and one party rule can do to a democracy. He compared and contrasted it with how Animal Farm was being worked.
So it was much in news, right? So can you name 5 characters in that?
Sir, there is no name of the character. I don't remember, sir. But I know the sir. One was pig, then horse, then animals were there, sir. I don't remember the names. Yes. Sir.
Okay. Now, have you read that Argumentative Indian by Amartya Sen?
No, sir. I have heard about it.
You just heard about
yes,
it.
sir.
So, have you read about any other Indian authors?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Sir, Rag Darbari by Srilal Shukla.
Okay.
He is one of the authors, sir. Then, yes, sir. Unreal Elections by C.S. Krishna. It is also a political satire on our election system. Then, sir, Shashi Tharoor wrote 2 novels, Inglorious Empire and Pax Indica. Sir, I have read half of this Inglorious Empire. And sir, I've read Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, Delhi.
Okay, your other is watching movies.
Yes, sir. Short films, sir.
Short
particularly.
films. What short films do you have seen, right?
So short films, sir. Recently, sir, I watched That Day After Tomorrow by Anurag Kashyap. It is about the problems.
Which Indian short film got nominated in the Oscar this time?
No, sir. I don't think any short film was nominated for Oscar.
Short films was not it. Every year that the short films are nominated for the Oscar, whether they get it or not, it's about nomination, not getting the award.
Oh, okay, sir.
Right.
Sorry.
Now, which short film got the French award?
Yes, sir. Cannes. Sir, That Day After Tomorrow.
That Day After Tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the other short film which is making waves outside India?
Sir, one was God Must Be Crazy. It was the title. Then, sir, Ahilya. Ahilya was acted by Radhika Apte. Then, sir, Nayantara's Necklace is a short film. And then, sir, Nawazuddin Siddiqui's Bypass, in which Irfan Khan was also.
Traveling is your third one, right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me something where have you traveled till now?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have travelled in Maharashtra, MP, Rajasthan, and Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, what are the spots that you have traveled in Rajasthan?
In Rajasthan, sir, I've been to Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer.
What is the other name given to Jodhpur?
Pink City, sir.
And what about the pink city Jaipur?
Oh, okay.
Is it Jaipur or Jodhpur is a pink city?
Sir,
Jaipur is the
Jaipur
pink
is the
city, right? So,
yes, sir. So I am not able to recollect at the moment.
the land of Ranas.
Okay.
What else? Where else you have gone in Rajasthan?
So Rajasthan, Jaipur, Jodhpur,
Jaipur, Jodhpur,
Ajmer.
Okay. Now coming to certain questions, as you have appeared for the men's consistently as such. So let's talk about now. What do you know about SAI? SAI?
Sports Authority of India, sir.
Not at all. It's related to army.
No, sir. I am not.
You must be well versed in current affairs, right? So, can you tell me about the special application, internet? What is that?
Sorry, sir. I don't know about it.
Okay, it's like a WhatsApp chat that has been developed by the army. That's why I have
Okay.
asked you this question.
Okay.
Now, what is the problem that India is having with Nepal right now?
Sir, 3-4 months back, sir, Nepal raised an issue about Kala Pani. They
What
want.
is Kalapani, by the way?
So Kala Pani is an area which has been governed by Indian forces since 100-200 years. But recently they wanted to.
What the place is, obviously.
So it is an
Like-
origin of Kali River, sir.
Hmm. So, what is the shape of that place? Because the shape is the main reason for this.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am not aware about the shape. But
What
the
other issues that we have?
with Nepal,
Hmm.
sir, with Nepal, one is the issue, sir, regarding the treaty, sir. There was an issue. The treaty, they kind of think that India is trying to impose, India imposes the will on Nepalese
Was
government.
India doing so?
No, sir, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
Then why it was interfering in the constitution making in Nepal? Would you like if someone else interfere in your country when you are abolishing Article 370 or something?
So Nepal and India have very rich cultural and historical past.
That is there, but obviously communist government is there.
Yes, sir.
So it has much affection to China rather than India now.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, I don't.
okay, another one. Let's talk about. Can you tell me something about Li-Fi?
Light fidelity. Yes, sir. Sir, just like how Wi-Fi works, sir, Wi-Fi works when the radio signals are transmitted from the modem to the to our mobile devices. Sir, in Li-Fi, if you are in the line of sight of the device, you will get the internet connection. Otherwise, it would be cut off. So it is much faster. Its frequency is lesser. Bandwidth is
What
more.
is the reason behind that?
Sir, I don't know the exact reason.
Okay. Now, why India is not able to earn it or use its demographic dividend?
Sir, mainly because of the, sir, skill sets of the people are not up to the mark what industry demands.
Do you understand demographic dividend?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So the dividend which the nation gets because of its age structures. Majority of the age structure of
What
India.
is that is?
So between the working age from 18 to.
Is it 18 or it's 15?
Sir, I think it's 18.
It's 15.
Okay, sorry, sir. And the median age is 27. So, sir, scholars have been saying that because of this young population.
Okay, this is the dividend that India is earning, right? So, okay.
Last two questions.
Last two questions.
What is the best achievement? Have you asked you this question? Best achievement in your life?
Yes, sir.
You already answered this. Now you are NCC cadet. You have been outdoor activity person, right? Tell me, what is the adventure that you have done in part of the NCC or otherwise in your life, or outdoor activity?
Sir, I was part of a national trekking camp, sir. It happened. National
Pardon?
trekking camp.
Yes.
It happened in
Here I
Gra-
wanted to ask you. That's why I asked you this question. So, if you have to organize a trekking camp, trekking from morning, which trekking will you do? Which is the highest hill have you climbed? Height.
So 2,800 meters.
What is the feet? Can you convert this into feet?
Sir, it's 1,000 feet, I guess.
2,800 meter is 1,000 feet.
Yes.
Is this correct answer? Okay. Let's take it more simpler. What's your height?
So my height is 6 feet. 5 foot 8 inch, 1.8 meters. Yes, sir.
So, what is the meter?
So 1/3. It must be.
So, what is the conversion factor between meter and feet?
So about 1/3.
About?
1/3.
I'm not able to get you. Louder, just speak louder. This is not a problem. I'm also speaking.
Sir, about 1/3. Sir, meter is.
1 meter is how many feet? Can you give me straight answer? Or should I calculate from your answer and then try to find
No,
out
sir.
and
So
take
5.8 divided by 1.
You are going to lead a platoon, battalion, and military officer, Central Armed Forces police
Yes.
officer. You are giving me indirect answers.
Sir, I don't know the exact, but
So
I'll
say
calculate.
That, say that.
Yes,
Why
sir.
are you going around the bush?
Yes, sir.
What's your weight?
So my weight is 68 kgs.
How many pounds?
Sorry, sir, I don't
Okay,
know.
coming to the trekking, you climbed to 2800 meters, which is about 1000 feet. What could be the temperature as to 2800 meters?
Sir, it was 5 degrees, sir.
5 degrees. So can you tell me how is the temperature decreases with height?
Yes, sir.
How much is the factor
So 6 degrees per kilometer.
per kilometer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happens to pressure when you go to height?
So pressure decreases, sir.
Decreases. So what is the acclimatization when you go on the hills, and then the troops when they go on hills, because you may have to do that?
So acclimatization, sir, our body actually body tries to get suitable with the environment around it. So if we are going from a area which has high pressure,
All right. Who is your role model in life?
so my role model will be, sir, Maulana Azad.
And why?
Uh, Sir, Maulana Azad was one of the greatest freedom fighter India had. Sir, he was a symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity. He wrote, he edited a newspaper known as Al Hilal. Then he became an education minister. He led to the establishment of various colleges. My college was also one of
What was
the.
the other novel written by him?
Uh, India wins freedom, sir.
And?
So only this novel.
Okay, thank you. We will call you.
Thank you.